6 Cities to Invest in Real Estate, by Mohammed Siddiq, www.trcb.me/Siddiq. CNN.com has recently written an article addressing 6 of the best cities to buy and invest in real estate in today's plunging markets. After reading CNN's top picks, I must say I agree and somewhat disagree with their choices. The following is the list compiled by CNN of the country's 6 best cities to invest in and why I agree or disagree: Boston, Atlanta, Cleveland, Cincinnati, Houston and Detroit. 1. Boston. While CNN believes the Boston metro area to be number 2 on the best cities to invest list, I am cautious to agree with this one. Yes, Boston was hit with the real estate downturn of the recent housing crisis, and according to Boston realtor David Gordon, sales for the month of February were 38 single-family homes, median price $371K, average price $509K, ranging from $185K to $1.899 million, averaging 126 days on market and selling at 89% of original offer price. Boston's market is still sluggish, though demand remains relatively steady. As a result, investors will see this buyer's market as a great opportunity to snag up some discounted property. 2. Atlanta. I absolutely agree with this choice because Georgia, specifically the Atlanta region, has one of the best economic outlooks in the country. According to a quote from renowned economist Arthur Laffer to the Atlanta Business Chronicle, Georgia's economic outlook is rosier than that of any other state in the nation. Furthermore, the Atlanta metro area was essentially unaffected by the bursting housing bubble. Realty Times says, the Atlanta market didn't see the steep drop other areas of the country did, which is attributed to a steady appreciation rate of 5 to 6% over the last few years, as opposed to the 20 to 50% seen in other areas. As a result, housing prices will continue to appreciate in the Atlanta area. 3. Cleveland. The city has been appropriately dubbed the foreclosure capital of America. And CNN feels that with all the plans aimed at helping troubled homeowners, home prices look ready to rise. However, investors should be cautious about investing in this market. Because of the city's high unemployment rate, it may be a long time before Cleveland recovers economically. Therefore, it may take even longer for housing prices to begin to appreciate once again. Your article could be in this broadcast. Visit trcb.com to find out how. 4. Cincinnati. CNN believes this city is number 3 on their list of cities to invest. However, I feel CNN is being overly optimistic about Cincinnati's economic outlook. Located in the manufacturing Rust Belt, Cincinnati has been hit hard economically in the last decade. However, economic initiatives have made it more affordable for commercial businesses, which have created new optimism for both commercial and residential real estate in the area. It will be interesting to see how Cincinnati's real estate and economy fare over the next few years. In terms of investing, long-term investments seem to look promising, while short-term investment may be a swing and a miss. 5. Houston. The city made CNN's list of best cities to invest, and rightfully so. Fourth quarter housing prices rose 1.4%, the highest of any city on the list. And, according to Richard W. Fisher's A Perspective on the Economic Outlook, the housing market continues to be strong across the state. We've led the nation in housing starts this year. Texas homeowners have not experienced the kind of rapid real estate price appreciation seen in the Northeast and California. As a result, a break in the rise of national home prices should one occur poses little downside risk in Houston. 6. Detroit. Yet another ailing city in the Rust Belt makes the list. However, Detroit's outlook seems even bleaker than Cleveland's. With 1/3 of the city falling below the poverty line, its sky-high unemployment rates, and the struggling auto industry the city relies on, Detroit's economy will be struggling for years to come. For investors, foreclosures and cheap property values may warrant a second look. Since the average price-to-rent ratio is 15, in which the buyer gets nearly 7% of his or her purchase back every year, investing in rental properties sounds like a good investment. Siddiq is real estate investor for over 20 years, mostly in commercial real estate, especially shopping centers, hotels, motels. If you are interested in commercial real estate investing and want to partner on future investment opportunities with me, please send email to invest@trcb.com. Minimum investment is $100K for accredited investor.